Hey, what's up guys? It's me Tech Jake. Today we're diving into something that might not be flashy like the latest flagship smartphone, but is absolutely essential if you're serious about high-resolution scanning. Yup, we're talking about the Epson Expression 13000 XL Flatbed Scanner, a beast when it comes to A3 size scanning with incredible 2400 by 4800 DPI resolution. And yes, if you already know this is the one for you, the purchase link is right below in the description. Now, right out of the box, this thing feels premium. Solid build, clean white finish. It's designed to sit on a desk and do serious work. Not for gaming, not for show, but for creators, artists, archivists, and professionals who need detail. Let's talk about the design first. The 13000 XL is a full-size A3 scanner, which means you can scan documents up to 11.7 by 16.5 inches. That's significantly bigger than the regular A4 scanners. It's ideal for scanning artwork, photography prints, engineering documents, and even old books. It's not small, and it's not supposed to be. If you're buying this, space isn't your issue. Precision is. Okay, now here's the part that really matters. 2400 by 4800 DPI. That's not marketing fluff. That's optical resolution, which means you're getting full detail from the scan head, not interpolated garbage. Crisp lines, zero blur, and tons of depth. Whether you're scanning high-res photography, line art, or intricate textures, the results are sharp even at 100% crop. Epson's color science is also no joke. The 48-bit color depth captures gradients, shadows, and highlights like a champ. Now, it's not blazing fast. But again, this isn't your office document feeder. This is about quality. On average, a full A3 at max DPI takes a minute or so, and that's expected. If you need speed, you're probably looking for a different class of device. It connects via USB 2.0, which might feel a little outdated in 2025, but it's reliable, especially since we're dealing with huge image files. The included Epson software also gives you total control over scan settings, DPI, bit depth, file format, and even batch scanning options. So, who's the Epson 13000 XL really for? This is not your average student scanner. This is for designers, photographers, archivists, architects, and illustrators, people who need every detail preserved in digital format. If you're scanning blueprints, illustrations, magazine layouts, or precious artwork, this scanner pays for itself. Bottom line, the Epson Expression 13000 XL is a professional-grade scanner that doesn't try to do everything. It does one thing and does it exceptionally well: high-resolution A3 scanning with full color fidelity. It's not cheap. It's not tiny. But if you're serious about scan quality, it's probably one of the best options in the game right now. Alright guys, that's it for today's breakdown of the Epson Expression 13000 XL Flatbed Scanner. If you're ready to upgrade your scanning game or add a serious tool to your creative workflow, check the link in the description below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth gear reviews, and drop a comment if you have any scanner questions.